So let's solve the question number 21 of the CKS series. So first of all, we will be going to switch the context as usual. Then let's read the question. The vulnerability scanner tree is installed on your main terminal. We have to use it to scan the following images for known CVEs. So these are the 4 images they have provided, and then we have to write all images name that don't contain the vulnerabilities. This, okay, that don't contain this, okay, into this. So the point is that we need to check the CVEs for all of these images, and if we find any image with any of these vulnerabilities, because there is OR condition, so we just have to write that image name that is CVE free of these two types. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So for that we have Trivy installed already, as we have seen the previous question. Then we will use Trivy image and we will provide the nginx. Now what I'll do, I'll just use format JSON, and it will show us all the CVs, but it would be very difficult to find or to read entire file to find both those two CVs, right? So what you can do, you can just use grep command, and the point is that there is an argument -e. So with the help of argument e, you can just find the CVs and just add pipe, and after that this one. So any of this, if it contains, so it will show you. So let's see that. So as you can see that there is already 1967 is there. Then yes, 1967 is there, so we don't have to include it. So we can just jump on the next image, and you just don't need to write the command again. You just go to the image section and just update the image. So let's run the image scan for the next Cube API server image, and we can see this time we have 10878. So again we don't have to remember this image. Now let's scan the next image, which is Cube Controller Manager. So let's see what will happen. So yes, again we have 10878. We have to ignore this image as well, and this is the last image. I hope this image won't have any CVs. And yes, it does not contain any of this CVs. So we just have to we have just to write this image, which is vworks, in this at this location. So we will just echo this image name and we will just copy it here. Now you can see this is the image name is stored here.
So that's it for this question. Please check out the playlist for this CKS KillerShell series. The link is given in the description box, and also you can check out the pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.